We're here today at UK Construction Week, supporting our supply partner, Ultra Protect. And Ultra Protect are offering a one-stop solution for monitoring of dust, management of dust, and then training staff how to work with the equipment. Addex as a group really look after our dealer network. And so by looking after our dealer network and helping them with the right information for their customers, it's the biggest way we can make them successful.
It's a quality product, so they've got a very good name, very high in quality. They've got the versatility in performance, and the service is second to none. And the most important thing, they can provide the product.
Yeah, we've got a great partnership with Addex because we offer solutions, and a lot of our solutions are linked with Addex products, through to air purification, through to dust management and that as well. We work with Addex on a lot of products and with a lot of our solutions, which are very beneficial to our customers. We use a whole range of MaxVac products, through to whale tails, right the way through to the Medi and the DB25s and the DB50s and that as well. So we love the range and the help and the advice that Bob offers, as well as Tamia in the office and that as well. Tamia is excellent and she does always get back to you, and if there's a problem, she does solve it. And Bob's very good on the technical advice and that as well.